How to schedule tasks in Twitter. In order to schedule a task on Twitter, you need to follow these simple steps. So, what you need is, first of all, you want to open up Twitter app on your device, then go to the home page, click the plus button from the bottom right corner, select post or whatever you're actually uploading. Now you want to go ahead and select what you actually want to upload. This is the one, all right. After you've composed your tweet, you just need to go ahead and click on this clock icon. You can find it right over here. So you just need to go ahead and look for this clock icon, or you will be able to look for the calendar and a clock icon at the bottom of the composer window, and then click on it. Then a pop-up will appear. Choose the date and time you want to, or you select the post is or publish, and you want to click on confirm to close the pop-up. You will see the schedule date and time above the tweet composer. Next, you want to click the blue schedule button and then add the tweet to your queue. It will now post automatically at the time you selected, and this is how you'll be able to schedule a task in Twitter. So that's the way you will be able to post. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.